YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with another What's in the Box for you guys on Pentair's ETI Condensation Neutralizer Kit. So we're going to kind of tear this open and show you guys what comes included. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to go over Pentair's ETI, which for those of you guys that are not familiar, it is a very high efficiency heater provided by Pentair. Very expensive heater, but it's one of the only heaters out there that's actually going to get you like up to almost 99% of the return of your heat. So you don't lose compared to like a traditional master temp where you're looking at about 80% of your heat will make it back to the water itself. So very, very high efficiency, definitely worth it. But they do require these condensation neutralizer kits. So I'll show you guys what comes included. Please note you're going to get one that will come with the heater already if you guys end up buying an ETI400. But these need to be changed out roughly about every year depending on the usage of the actual heater itself. So we do have these all available. We've got plenty of these kits in stock. So if you guys want to check out the links in the description, we'll have those directly on the website for you guys to purchase. But let's dive in. The part number for this is 475612. Again, the point of this is to help neutralize the condensation produced by the heater. Because it has such high efficiency, it requires this extra filtration. So it is like a drop-in cartridge, which is kind of cool. So right here on top of this cardboard, they give you the clips for each side. Those are going to be necessary when you're taking out your old one. You'll see that it'll have those same style clips on it. So they give you both those clips. And then of course they have like the orifice changes here. There's 3 of them on there, so they have those. So they give you some extra parts. I saw something around there. Looks like they've got some clamps. So again, when you got your whole entire little part breakdown, they give you one piece of paper. We'll kind of explain to you guys where you're looking to actually install this, how it's going to operate, what other parts are going to plug into it. So definitely take a look at this if you're not familiar with the product, if you guys are doing this on your own. Again, as a pool professional, most of these guys are going to know how to install these. They can contact their own Pentair rep. They can go down that road to make sure that they have the training for that. But if you're doing it yourself, again, this isn't an install video. This is just going to walk you guys through what comes included with the kit. Here is your massive tube. It's filled with essentially rocks. You're looking at, obviously minerals. So you're looking at like limestone. There's some other minerals in here that are going to help grab that moisture and filter that water as it's coming into the heater. So this is your main piece that you're going to be replacing. This is what is located inside of the heater. Each side has its own little red safety cap, so obviously you're going to realize that those caps are going to come off, and then they have orifices for both sides that are going to screw in, so they give you both of those included in the package. And then of course, like I just mentioned before, it looks like they actually have some kind of a hose clamp. So as you guys are taking these off, there's actually tubing that goes to either side of this condensation kit. So this will just help make sure that that tubing stays nice and tight on the ends of this condensation kit to make sure everything seals up good for you guys. So again, hopefully we'll have a install video for you guys. We've actually put some of these out in the field, so then hopefully we can run an install video for you guys to show you guys how to fully replace it. But for now, I just want to show you guys what comes included so you guys know what to expect if you are planning on replacing this yourself. Again, highly suggest you do this about every season. It varies based off of the usage of your heater. So obviously if you're only using your heater once, you don't need to replace this every year. But if you are constantly using the high efficiency heater, which most of you are when you buy this, you're going to want to change this every season to make sure that the heater runs optimally. So again, check out all the links below in the description. It'll take you guys more information from Pentair directly on our website. Again, a link down there to purchase it from us. We've got those in stock for you guys. It'll be an item that we carry all year round. So if you guys are looking for that, you got it. But other than that, I really appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're going to have a bunch more videos coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.